3i टेक इंजीनियर्स नोएडा, सपने आपके साथ हमारा।
नवीन प्रौद्योगिकी और उद्योग विशेषज्ञता के साथ हम हर कदम पर आपके सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए आपके साथ हैं। हम 3i टेक इंजीनियर हैं।
Hello everyone, this is Ayush Pandey from 3i Tech Engineers, and in this video we will give you instruction of how to install cream separator 550 LPH, and our instructor today is Ashwin Kumar and Pankaj Kuntal from 3i Tech Engineers. So Ashwin Kumar, start karo. First we will start with cream separator machine body 550 LPH, which is this machine, and here we will fix centrifugal bowl set. And you are seeing that how Ashwin Kumar is fixing this bowl set in this body. And next is skim milk cover. This is how you have to fix also. And this is cream cover, which we call cream pot also. And this is how we have to fix. This is regulating cover above these two, skim milk cover and cream cover. Next is cream screw level. This is how we have to fix screw. Next is a milk tank with tap inner. This is milk tank, complete in SS 304, and this is inner tap where the flow of milk will happen. And this is milk float. We have to put milk float like this. And our installation of cream separator 550 is complete. And now we will show you some spare parts which we will give you.
Key.
This is key
Cream adjustment.
for cream adjustment.
Brush for cleaning.
This is brush for cleaning.
Gasket bowl.
This is gasket bowl.
Spare to plate.
This is spare this plate.
Tool.
A spanner, tool,
Hanger.
hanger,
Gasket.
and gasket. This is motor drive belt, bowl clamp. So this is a complete installation process of cream separator 550 LPH, and from here we will check out. Thank you very much.
3i टेक इंजीनियर्स नोएडा, सपने आपके साथ हमारा।